I'm Yuki Kondo from Hitachi. I am a researcher, and my research field is fintech and blockchain open source contribution. Now, my main topic is CBDC and DID, and we have credentials. So I'm very happy to be in this very advanced field. Now, and Hitachi is a member of the Hitachi community for many years, so it means a lot to us. We are in the open source community to connect with a lot of talented people. Hitachi Foundation and FDT Foundation has so many good engineers and business people, and blockchain is a decentralized system, so we need to connect so many stakeholders. After joining the FDT, we had a lot of benefits. We got connection with new people, and we conducted some POCs with those companies, so it means a lot to us. Also, FDT staff help a lot. For example, they helped us to launch a Japanese chapter or Hitachi Fabric documentation translation working group. They offered us a lot of tools, and they connected us with documented working group in UK. So we were successfully translate documentation into Japanese. So I really appreciate it to FDT staff. That's our experience.